TWF, the women's wing of the TIPRA Motha party, celebrated a milestone today as it marked its 5th foundation day at the Hezamara Community Hall under the Simna Assembly constituency. The event, which commemorated the organization's inception on June 6, 2021, was highlighted as a significant gesture of political integrity. MDC Rabindra Debbarma fulfilled a high-profile campaign promise by handing over a cheque of 1 lakh rupees to the singers and writers of the viral Kokborok song KAMIO PHAIKHA. The king has come to the village. The day began with a ceremonial hoisting of the TIPRA Motha flag alongside the flags of the YTF and TWF. Prominent dignitaries in attendance were Minister Secretary Debbarma, MDC Rabindra Debbarma, General Secretary Central TWF Sivanjali Debbarma, Gospel Halam President, Simna TWF Block Committee Nirmal Debbarma and others. During the recent TTIDC election campaign, Rabindra Debbarma had pledged to donate his entire first month's salary as an MDC to the creative team behind the song KAMIO PHAIKHA, which became an anthem for the party's grassroots movement. Today, amidst a gathering of hundreds of women activists, he honored that commitment, presenting the rewards to the artists as a mark of appreciation for their cultural contribution to the community's identity.
Chini Simna block TWF je khatung khaja khlai tini je oro je sung 5th foundation de palalai mani oma unexpected mane sungwan suman sebse bara borok oro tini sokpaikha tini oro asuk borok tongma masuk phaiglak ni tongmani kar mia watui ga tini ke belai ke tungo ko ekdino ega nai mane belai ke no khatung khaja khlai chini buri rok chini buma bodol rok belai ke no phaibikya amage pulewa chini TWF ni joto buma bodol rok no hambai ta khaksang mamaru omahai khlai sung dofani samung rogo sung omahai khlai sung buskango taibo samung krak khainan bagi sung tewan sulai tung
Gagesar tini nangje o soka demand bokmani ya or samung no awle boba hai wan sukeri kade je or samung nang boba hai kokthai sramjak ma asake nangjak
ang wabo belakeno bekha nangjak kha raja kamio kakha thansani boyar sipka raja juri kamio kaya khai thansani boyar asuk sipla khamon rangsak risak bagi rimano o hanole bagi meya o kokthai rok inya khaiba yang paithago naini dinang nograi rok no sungki nok khang goside mano abo sumania o kokthai kokborok o kokrok no ani bakha belai kheno but mane election age ani bakha belai hit nangka ga omono naye obono joto jaga no naine khetipurani bishes kai kokborok sanai dofaroni bisingo belai khai tongthongman nukjakha মানে সাইথা কাঙ্কাই जों ইলেকশননি সেকাংনো যেমন চিফ মিনিস্টার শাখা আমরা দখল করব কারা দখল করবে এটা কি হিন্দু বাঙালি দখল করবে না বিজেপি দখল করবে না যারা ওই ইলিগাল মাইগ্রেন্টরা দখল করবে আবার একটা বিরাট একটা প্রশ্ন মাখায় অমবক বিরাট চিনি বরং বখা থাংসা রেখা ও থাংসা মানে নুগুই আং আপন আং মা শাখা যে বুসখাংনি आं जुदि न आजराव जुदि आं मा सागा कप्लाय इंखाखाय पाब्लिक तो आना कप्लाय खायनाय एवं जेबाबो कप्लाय खायगा ताइबो गोबां बुदबाय जेबो कप्लाय खायगा आबुनि परे न आं सागा आं बरनो पुइला जे आनि मासनि जे मानमानि बरनो आं जे मानमानि अन द 1 लाख 1 लाख रां बरनो रनाय एवं तिनि बाहायनो आबो जतो हिसाब खायनायके तिनि प्रोग्राम जों अमाके सुबाका मन्त्री भाई का अमखा आं 1 लाख आं बरनो रेखा ताय आरो विभिन्न सामुंग मारिखा Omo sudah borno rimani ya, borno borom rimani. Omo itu tebo Chini, resap kering rong ni, Khorang ni, bong je kompus kemani, borok je asik sui kering, nini, je tahu FM bro, takut FM bro, Omo kan noni gopal jomatia, Omo itu kemana Chini, buskang sekang songrok, je bong ni azora ni harus samang azora, zorabai asik gothori resap kah. Abo Chini bebak o thanai je election is chobao bongni resabong belai ken sungno sobakha ka abo haike nang thinango Chini lukorok no jara khaganang maya ganang kise yago pusa ganang rano ang sanai omo haike na sung trek Chini no sung taibo sobalai makha kai Chini bisingo taibo kaham kai sung khlaimanai.
The 5th Foundation Day was observed with various programs across the state, reinforcing the TWF's role in the party's organizational structure as they look towards future developmental goals for the ADC areas. Reported by Boyer from Hezamara, Chini, Khorang.